Frustrated by the Clbcatq.dll pop-up signaling an orphan system dependency? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Avoid long manual edits for Clbcatq.com+ by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This DLL file is the COM+ configuration catalog library. It manages the storage and retrieval of configuration data for COM+ applications, ensuring that component-based software integrates correctly with the system. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of the Clbcatq.com+ DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Clbcatq.com+ file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A quick safety warning: never download files like the Clbcatq.com+ DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing the Clbcatq.com+ references. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex, the Clbcatq.com+ dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.